What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Honda HRV Smart Key Remote Fob. This Honda HRV key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb's on, and the emergency will come out like that. Now some people will use the emergency key to open the key fob. If you take the end of it like this, you can kind of put it in this space right here and then twist and use it to pop the shell apart. But I really prefer to use a flathead screwdriver. It's easier and just less chance of damaging the remote. So if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing up and we take a look at the bottom of it down here, what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and I'm going to put it in between this black plastic and this silver metal piece. Slide it in there like that and then just pry up. And then once you get the case apart, I'm just going to flip it over so that the board ends up in the front of it like that. Now we see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver to get underneath it and get it out of the little holder that it's in. Then I'm going to grab the new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. I'll kind of tuck this edge in first and then snap it down into place. Then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.